SERV stock analysis. Tuesday, next week, am I buying or am I not? Context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, cut out thousands of quick predictions on my YouTube channel for free. Specifically looking at SERV, guess what? I'm still very open for that buy alongside. Ultimately, all these things that you're seeing here is just this, right? I just move it to the side. I bet this is the one that I'm looking for when I really begin being bullish. Right, it's 11 bucks at the time, 2 months ago. Yeah, it's right there. Went as much as 23, came down at around 13-ish, so we're at the exact same point. And guess what I have circled? Shift. This is gonna take time. This is why I'm waiting for more candles to appear, because if my rules are not met and I'm not waiting, it's just gonna be me randomly assuming that it will go up. And I'm not here to assume, I'm here to react of something that I've tested for 36,000 videos over the last 4 years, you know, so yeah, that's my 2 cents. It's not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.